probably one of the most critical times in our history. We have one of the most bizarre situations going on in this country. There was not the one assassination attempt. I received 3 bullets in my leg, which were meant for the top body. You see, my government was removed by the ex-army chief because the military establishment is very powerful here. So he conspired with the people who are in power right now. And, a lot of the army is powerful, the secret agencies, so they're toppled by government. It was the best economic performance of a government in the last 17 years. So now the situation is, why is my life in danger? Because what has happened is that the military establishment, along with the current lot who are in power right now. But the second thing what is done, and which is why really, Maxine, it would be very helpful, a statement, and if you could verify what I'm saying by yourself. We have the worst crackdown in our history. No democratic party has ever had such violation of the fundamental rights. What we want is from you simply find out by yourself, but, this will be, you can find out that what is going on is unprecedented. So we would appreciate here, because it makes a lot of, it goes a long way when someone like you, Maxine, when you give a statement. And all we want is the rule of law, the Constitution, fundamental rights. We just want a statement highlighting what is happening. And that would really help us. When Maxine, someone like you speaks out, it makes a lot of waves in our country. Thank you. Thank you, Salman.
Thank you. Zabardast ho gaya na, Papa?